Hey everyone, I'm Jelena Elise and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how I make my unstuffed peppers. This is a super simple recipe, and this recipe is for anyone who may not like stuffed peppers but enjoy the filling that's in the stuffed peppers, so it gives everyone a taste of what they like. Make sure if you enjoy my video that you give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel if you just enjoy my content. And remember to press that bell notification so you can be notified every single time I release a new video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. All right, so these are the ingredients I'll be using for my unstuffed peppers recipe. I have my ground turkey. I'm using multicolored peppers. My brown rice, a whole white onion, and I'm going to use the entire white onion, a can of black beans, 2 cans of diced tomatoes, Worcestershire sauce, and last but not least, minced garlic. So my first step is to add my cooking spray to my skillet so I can start cooking my onions. And I am using a non-stick skillet, so I really didn't need to add the cooking spray, but I do want my onions to kind of saute as they cook, and I want them to get a brown crisp on them, so that's why I'm using the cooking spray. So I'm just adding my onions, and I'm going to allow them to cook on a medium-low heat for about 5 minutes before adding any other ingredients. My onions have now been cooking for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to go ahead and add in my minced garlic. And I'm only going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. So I've been told that I'm a little heavy-handed with the garlic, so I'm just going to ease off just a little bit. And I'm just going to add in my garlic and allow my onions and the garlic to just incorporate with each other for about 10 minutes. And I'm going to cook this on a medium-low heat. I just love the smell of the garlic and the onions cooking. It just smells so good. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my ground turkey. So my onions have been cooking for a while, for about 10 to 12 minutes, but they are definitely tender. And I just want to get my ground turkey incorporated in there to start building the filling for my unstuffed peppers. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my seasonings, my seasoned salt, and my pepper. And this is just to bring a little bit of flavor to my turkey. And as you're incorporating all of the ingredients in, your aroma in your kitchen just smells so good. I love these flavors. I have my rice here cooking as well as I've been getting my turkey and my onions completed. So my turkey is completely done, and I'm just going to add the remainder of my ingredients to my dish. I'm adding my rinsed black beans, and I'm going to add my 2 cans of diced tomatoes. And then after I add my diced tomatoes in, I'm just going to allow everything to just simmer on the stove on a low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes just to get everything hot and incorporated within each other. Alright, so I've allowed my dish to simmer for about 15 minutes just to get everything incorporated. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in my rice, and I'm using brown rice. So when I cooked my rice, I undercooked it for about 10 minutes because it's going to continue to cook and simmer in the dish. So I'm just going to stir everything together to get it all incorporated all nicely. And now I'm just going to add a little Italian seasoning and stir everything together. It's just now been simmering for about 20 minutes, give or take, on a low heat. And now I'm just going to add in my peppers. And I'm adding in all 3 colored peppers that I had, and I just chopped them in really large pieces. And this basically makes the unstuffed pepper dish. And I'm just going to allow my peppers to cook for about 10 minutes because I don't want mushy peppers. I don't want them to be too tender. I just want them to get warm and incorporate within the entire dish, and they're still going to have a crunch to them. That's what I really want, is that crunch. Lastly, I'm just going to add some mozzarella cheese to my unstuffed peppers. I love adding shredded mozzarella cheese to my stuffed peppers, so I'm just going to do the same here. And then I'm just going to let my dish just stay on the stove and just simmer for another about 5 minutes just to let the cheese melt, and we're done here. So my unstuffed peppers are complete. It's just like a little soup or whatever. And I did add cheese in it before, and this is the cheese I'm using. I couldn't get a good shot the last time. This is it. And I'm just going to add a little bit more because I want to give you guys a quick taste. Just a little bit more on here. Not too much. And I usually just put a little bit of cheese on it when I'm cooking it, because you never know how much cheese people actually like, and I don't want to overpower the dish for someone else. I'm just going to stir it up. That's how it looks. And I'm just going to give it a quick taste. Like, it's already good. I know it, but I'm just going to give it a quick taste for you guys. That's what it looks like. The flavor is so good. Guys, I want to apologize. I did not realize that you could not see my bowl as I was giving you the taste test. I was so hungry, and trust me, it was very good. And I just want to say I apologize for not giving you guys a proper taste test. All the meat, all the beans, my mistake. It'll be better next time. I just love how the cheese comes up in it. The flavor is on point. This is so good. I definitely recommend you guys trying this. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you all enjoyed it. This is my unstuffed peppers recipe using ground turkey. This is a great option for anyone who may not be the biggest fan of stuffed peppers, but it's also just a great recipe idea for any day of the week. Make sure if you enjoy this video that you give me a thumbs up. If you just like my content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. And also make sure to press that bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a new video. I'll see you guys on my next video, and I hope you all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.